In a cozy little shop on a rainy city street, there hung an umbrella named Uma. She had deep blue fabric, a shiny silver handle, and dreams of one day being chosen by someone who really needed her. Many umbrellas came and went, big ones, fancy ones, colorful ones. But Uma stayed, waiting patiently. Then one gloomy afternoon, a girl named Lila rushed into the shop, soaked from head to toe. She had just started her first job and couldn't afford to get sick. The shopkeeper pointed to the corner. "That one's on sale," he said, motioning to Uma. When Lila picked her up, Uma felt a spark of joy. Finally, she thought, someone who needs me. From that day on, Uma went everywhere with Lila, through windy days, sudden storms, and long walks home. Even when her fabric got a little torn and her handle a little scratched, Uma stood tall and proud, always keeping Lila dry. One evening, as they walked home, Uma noticed something. A small boy and his mother were standing under a tree, shivering in the pouring rain. The boy had no jacket, and the mother was using her scarf to shield him. Lila paused. She looked at them, then at Uma. "I'll be soaked without it," she whispered, "but they need it more than I do." Without hesitation, Lila handed Uma to the mother. "Here, take this. You need it more." The woman's eyes filled with tears. "Thank you." Uma felt something new that day, not just the satisfaction of doing her job, but the warmth of kindness passing from one hand to another. She was used again and again, sheltering strangers in storms, passed from person to person, never staying with one owner for long, but always helping someone who needed her most. And even though Uma didn't live in one place or belong to just one person, she became a quiet hero of the rainy city. Because kindness, she learned, is a gift that's meant to be shared, just like an umbrella on a rainy day.